What's up, y'all? Hey, I got this computer right here, and I think it's dead. When I turn it on, I'll let you see what happens. Hey, man, I ain't got the best of equipment, you know what I'm saying? So we rolling with it just like this. I don't have that equipment where you can, I guess, see the screen from the video or whatnot. But I'm getting there. I'm getting there. You gonna see? Yep, you gonna see. But anyway, this computer right here, this the way it boots up. Maybe yours boots up this way. I'm gonna give you some pointers on what to do next when this happens to you or your laptop. This computer, man, it's not going anywhere. It's like stops right here. So I'm gonna hold that power button. You wanna hold that button for probably about 20 seconds. If your computer's doing something similar to that. Look like it started up on its own. Let's see what it does this time. See, it ain't supposed to take this long, y'all. Let's try it again. Hold the power button down 20 seconds. There you go, all the way off. I think this computer possessed, y'all. We're gonna try to go into the boot mode or something. Let me see. On these Lenovo's, these IBMs, you wanna hit the power button real quick and then just start hitting F12 like that. And guess what? Nothing. Same old mess. So guess what? I'll hold that power button again. About 20 seconds. Shut that thing down all the way. All right, this is a diagnostics test of the hard drive. On each computer, it's got a built-in diagnostics mode where you can tap off into to see if the hard drive is good. So that's what we're trying to. Before I keep continuing on, we're trying to make this computer work. Earlier, remember when I was talking about pressing the power button and hitting F12? Well, this is where you get the option to choose a diagnostic. Hit the power button. You want to keep pressing F12. Like I said, this computer is kind of it's jacked up, so it didn't go straight to diagnostics mode. I had to kind of mess with it a little bit. But as you can see, I'm 4 out of 6 right now. So after I see if the hard drive test is passed, then I can keep going. All right, this is the final results of everything's passed. So that means we can continue with this hard drive. If something on it failed, we would have to replace the whole hard drive. Buy another one. Most of the times, the hard drive can cost from about $50 all the way up into $200 or $300. It just depends on how much space you need. All right, this is the next step. What are you gonna need for to rebuild your operating system? You're gonna have to have some type of software. What I have is I got thumb drive that I use. It's got Windows 10 on it. I'm gonna plug that into my USB port. I'm gonna hit the power button. And while I'm hitting the power button, I'm constantly pressing F12. Let's see, is it gonna let me go there? Looks like it didn't want to let me go. This computer, man, it's like really weird. Instead of trying to get into that recovery utility, it keeps popping up every so often. Not sure why it's doing this. Well, I do know why it's doing it. It's a garbage computer. I mean, now I can choose flash drive where my software is. This is what happens when your software is installed. You get this Windows setup screen. And you want to click next. Anytime you come to the repair your computer part, you can go back and do system restore. Use the command prompt to bring your computer back to life. but erase everything and just start from scratch. Oh yeah, after probably about 5 or 6 minutes, you come to this screen here. You're just gonna accept the license terms, click next, and you want to choose custom. If we choose upgrade, it's not going to work most of the time because you're keeping the files and the settings, and keeping the files and settings of the old part of the computer, I guess you could say. Most of those files and settings are corrupt, so we're always going to choose the custom. We're going to use this partition here to put our operating system on. So you click next, and after that it installs Windows, and this takes a minute, so we'll be back. You should get all 5 check marks when it's over with. Okay, y'all, after you get those 5 checks, 4 green check marks, your computer's going to automatically restart. Whatever software you got, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, you should see the Windows splash screen come up. Then after a while, you should see a circle swirling at the bottom. That'll let you know that your software was installed right. Alright guys, this is the I think the last and final part of reinstalling new software to the computer. Now I can choose, now it's going through the basics of asking me, what keyboard layout, what country am I from, and everything. And pretty much when you get to this point, I mean, the computer's working now. We got another computer up and going. Once again, hey man, it's Harry Technologies signing off. Another successful install.